Besifunda this week uMihale yobhala test ye-biology ngimrevisisa. Oba nje ngithanda ukubona uNkulunkulu nje, into ezincane nje umbona uNkulunkulu. So besifunda yini Mihale? Precipitation. Sifunda precipitation, condensation. Yes, biology. So revise ukuthi thina siphefumula carbon dioxide, and plants they use carbon dioxide leyo, and how the rain is formed. It is the Mihali in the environment, the humidity in the environment ihlangene namafu. You know, kuyafunda ezikoleni, and that is God odale kanjalo. Akuvelanga kwazenzela, it is a process. It's like a machinery. Wenziwe uNkulunkulu, akuzenzekelanga bazalwane. You know, what a mighty God we serve. Ukwenza konke lokhu, should anything go wrong, should sanga breathe carbon dioxide, there will be no plants, and then nathi as human. And I looked, looking at this mighty God, how big He is. Thinking of the sun. It says the earth rotates around the sun, and the moon rotates around the earth. Ngespeed konke bazalwane uNkulunkulu owenzele lezo zinto lezo. It has to rotate. Mangase kwenzeke executive kancane. Ngabe kuphelile ngathi. So that did not just happen. It was God. It is that big God. Ebengibala ukuthi idiameter nje yelanga is about 1 million kilometer. 1.3 million kilometer diameter. And there's somebody who's holding all that. Hebrews 1:4 sivulele emamcebekulu. Hebrews 1:2. Hebrews 1:2. You know, sakhuluma ngoNkulunkulu, but uNkulunkulu then Hebrews wayethatha lento uyifaka kuJesu. Ukuthi nayo uJesu, all this power uNkulunkulu anayo ayisumi nje uNkulunkulu kuphela, even noJesu unayo. Hebrews 1:2. But in these last days, he has appointed his son, the next, and through whom also he made the universe. The Son is the radiance of God's glory. Ukukhanya, uyinkazimulo yokukhanya, angazi zilibeka kanjani, but inkazimulo kaNkulunkulu, uJesu is the radiance of God's glory and the exact representation of his being. Ngicela ukuqhubeka ngesingisi kuleli verse elilandelayo. Verse, after he had provided purification, the Son is the radiance of God's glory and the exact representation of his being, sustaining all things by his powerful weight. So this is Christ, who is as the Son, who sustains everything by the powerful weight, by his powerful weight. Which konke lokho sikubonayo, yonke imvelo, yonke nature, all the universe, the stars and all the other planets, konke it is sustained by the powerful weight of Jesus. uNkulunkulu usayisusa lento usiyabona even noJesu wezele emhlabeni, he's got the same power le enginayo. So there's this big hand who is sustaining all these things, and by him sustaining things, and he's keeping the universe from falling apart. And the young people, it will fall apart if it were not for Jesus. Jesus is guiding and managing yonke lento le, yonke lento enzekayo emhlabeni in the universe. Jesus is managing it. Can you imagine the hands? How big are those hands? It says Jesus sustains the universe by continuing to speak and command it. He is commanding the universe. Jesus. That's what the Bible says. So Jesus is holding everything together, bazalwane. Konke kenzela kusebenzelana kube ngokuhle, konke siphefumula sinakile ukuthi senzani, mhla kwathiwa ucishe oxygen kobe kuphelile ngathi, asi-appreciate konke ngoba asikuboni, kepha konke kwenziwa uNkulunkulu, and uJesu sustains it by the powerful word. lakhe. So if Jesus can hold everything, besiyini isimo sakho? Lo nkulunkulu wenza into ezinkulu ezingaka, besiyini isimo sakho? Can you imagine that big hand? And I don't know, it must be big, angazi. But ngiyasimagina nje, but it's the same hand engisidingayo nami. Engisidingayo empilweni yami. And even uNkulunkulu kuwo wonke lama plans amakhulu anawo awenzile in the universe. Lithi iBhayibheli uneplan ngempilo yakho. Uthi uyafuna uphumelele, wena uhlela House of Christ manje, the same God owenza konke lokho, he still thinks about you. He knows you. Wazi ukuhlala kwakho nokuvuka kwakho. Wazi even inani lezinwele zakho. The same powerful God. He knows you. And uyazi ukuthi uma ngabe ngisele emhlabeni, there's a plan he had ngempilo yakho. And uzokwenza sure ukuthi liyenzeka. That's right. But izinto ziyenzeka abazalwane. Zenzeke emhlabeni izinto uNkulunkulu abakuthengisile zona nezinye mhlawumbe ozifisayo zingenzeki. Akhona uNkulunkulu uhlala ulinde. Uhlala ulinde ngilapha namhlanje. Ngikwinkonzo yokulinda abazalwane. Uyalindwa uNkulunkulu bazalwane. Uyalindwa. Sizoya lapha ku Exodus. Ngifuna ukukhuluma le ndaba le ngestori sika Israel bezophuma eGibhithe. Sebehlale bahlala 430 years eGibhithe. But uNkulunkulu okhuluma noMoses. Ukhuluma lapha ku Exodus 4:21. Ungasivulela nje Exodus 4:20. Oh no. The Lord said to Moses, when you return to Egypt, see there to perform. Exodus 4:21. Oh yes. Okay. But I will harden his heart so that he will not let the people go. uNkulunkulu ubiza uMoses ezihlalele wathi hamba uyokhulula abantwana bami eGibhithe ubakhiphe. Uma mbiza amtshela ukuthi okay hamba eFaro. Aqala athi batshela abantwana bakayizela ukuthi uzobakhipha eGibhithe. Kwasho ukuthi nje kuningi. Labo bathe kuningi bamuzwa nje uMoses kusho ukuthi kuningi ekhandeni labo. Bamuzwa nje ukuthi uthi uNkulunkulu uzobakhipha. But uNkulunkulu uya kuMoses uthi ngizobakhipha eGibhithe, but knowing uFaro uthi uNkulunkulu ngiyafuna ukuthi uFaro azi ukuthi I am the Lord, and I also want abantwana bakwa-Israel to know that I am the Lord. So uNkulunkulu uma ngabe you'd assume that uma ngabe ebiza uMoses ethi hamba uye khipha abantwana bakwa-Israel ukhulume noFaro ukuthi uNkulunkulu uzosebenza uFaro ukuthi abakhiphe. But uNkulunkulu does the opposite. Uthi and I will harden inhliziyo kaFaro. It doesn't make sense bazalwane. Uthi uzoyiqinisa inhliziyo kaFaro uthi angabakhiphi. Kodwa uthi kuMoses hamba obakhipha, but ngizoqinisa inhliziyo yalo ukuthi angabakhiphi. Into zaNkulunkulu aziyenzi sense. Bengize ngicabanga nje kwi-Mother's Day ukuthi ukube uNkulunkulu waye umama lo ozothi yabona zingane zami la kwami izitsha sigezwa ngo-4, not a minute early, not a second later, zigezwa ngo-4 lekhaya izitsha. Nazibizo zingane zami athi futhi angifuni ukuthi ngizisule izitsha, athi ngifuna uzihlala uzibheke zize zome. Uhlala uzibheke zizoze zome bese uyahamba uyofaka amakhabetheni uma isule zami izitsha. Ube nje umama nje isikushisa mama esingithini. Ingane ngabe ziyazi ekhaya ukuthi kushawa u4 nje sesimile sigeze izitsha, but not a second later, not a second after 4 zigezwa ngalesikhathi izitsha kwami. Hlala inkosi yami ingane izibuka izitsha zome every day. And mawingane ke yabo uNkulunkulu uzokhuluma nawe izohamba insuku ithatha ipeni nephepha isihleli ibheke izitsha isiyabhala ukuthi how long it takes amaplate ukuthi ome. Okay, amaplate it takes 5 minutes ukuthi ome. Uyabhala phansi amaglass it takes 3 minutes. Abhala amaglass, you know, because you have nothing to do. What else can you do? Because you're just watching izitsha zome. Abhala umntwana uyabuka hlaba neglass namapattern, uyabuka this pattern uyayianalyze hlaba amaplate namaflower, uyabuka okay le namaflower bese bekhona uline red kune pattern yakhona la. You know, I mean, what else can you do? You're watching izitsha zome. Basufundile. Even ekhaya makudliwa uma umntwana usuzokwenza show ukuthi ekhaya kudliwa ngalezi sheshe zome. Bangathi ephuzu kwamusa lezi uzibeke ngalenge emva khona bezogcina ngazo. Bebe ngaphambili amaglass lawa asheshe koma. Obele ngaphambili ngoba uyazi ukuthi uzohlala. And now usuyazi ukuthi you've analyzed ukuthi okay, nakho kusheshe kome. 3 minutes then I'll be done. Kodwa it doesn't make sense ukuthi ngempela mase ngase ngihlale izitsha ngizibheke zizezome. And then the next thing, futhi makunjalo uzohlala nabangani bakho. Sakula nje eyudlala kubalekile nje. Nabangani bakho bakubiza kuthiwa sambe sodlala. Kuthiwa hayi loyo ulinda izitsha zome ubheke izitsha zibuka zome bakuhleke. Uhlaka yizwe, uhlaka omakhelwane uthi uhlele ulinda izitsha zome kuthiwa cha bekuhleke. Uhlele kodwa wena lokhu ubhala zonke izinto. Uyabhala zonke izinto. The next thing sesakubona usuka amadlanga commission. Useyi-forensic data analysis intontoni. Ethi ma-analyze izinto laphayana, sihlalisile ukuthi hayibo, we just marvel at the intelligence. Ukuthi uthole loku-analyze izinto kangaka. The patience, ngoba uyabothi into ayi-analyze yo, he had to wait. The patience of waiting, uyithathephi? Simangale thina. Akade behleka bekhula nabehleka, sebethe, ebuka ku-TV, u-analyze data. Simangala usuthole ukuhlakanipha. Okwakuyisiwula kubulima now sekuthatha kwakubeka phezulu. So izinto zikaNkulunkulu bazalwane ziyibula. Futhi aziyenzi sense, azina logic. Ungayifuni sense, ungayifuni logic entweni zaNkulunkulu. Bayeke bakuhleke, bayeke bakuhlebe. Thula nje una just trust God. uNkulunkulu ubize uMoses ukuthi alanda abantwana and that he hadn't inhliziyo kaFaro. Waletha ama-plagues alezulu lithi inhlupheko. And uNkulunkulu is a God of detail bazalwane. Yabona manje uNkulunkulu uthe not a second later, not a second after, because he's a God of detail. Izinto zakhe uyizenza ungazi uzobulima ube ubulima kanti yena uneplan. Ama-plagues ayekade ewami izinhlupheko zase-Egypt wayekade deala ne-system yase-Egypt. Yabo mfuthu kuyasho Scottsville kathi hayibo nange sikhuluma izwi lami. Ukuthi abantu e-Egypt babekhonza kwasani. Ubona nje konke kwakuNkulunkulu. There was Nile River. Nile River ubona wazi uNkulunkulu. Izihlahla, they could see isihlahla kusibe uNkulunkulu wabo. Anything was God to them. So uNkulunkulu wayeplanile ama-plagues lawa. They were a divine and properly targeted plagues. Ayengekona nje ukuthi ayenziwe. uNkulunkulu wathi to demonstrate ipower yakhe kubantu baka-Israel ukuthi mina ushilo vele wathi masihamba ngoba ngifuna uFaro abone ukuthi I am the Lord. Nabantu baka-Israel babone ukuthi imina uNkulunkulu wabo. Iplague yokuqala ngizosho wonke, iplague nje le eyokuqala eNile River. To them iNile River was a source of life. So uNkulunkulu wenza agcwala igazi. Babona ukuthi and there's no others, whatever they thought was a source of life bona angeke ibenzele lutho because igcwele igazi. Udila nabo uNkulunkulu. Verse 5 ilokuzana iplague inhlupheko. Kwafa zonke inkomo. Zafa zonke inkomo. Angithi bakhonza inkomo abanye. Inkomo uNkulunkulu. Wathi uNkulunkulu ufuna ukukhomisa lo uNkulunkulu wenu uzofa. Zafa inkomo zabo. Amathumbu 6 plague. Bavela amathumbu umzimba wonke. And there's a God of healing. Ufuna ukukhomisa uNkulunkulu wenu lo healing. Asimbone ephela healer. Ninth plague was darkness. Lena yayinzima kakhulu ke le yabashaya ngoba manje uNkulunkulu ufihle ilanga, the sun. To them the sun was the king of all goddesses. Bonke onkulunkulu abakhona eEgypt isan ilanga laleyo uNkulunkulu wonkulunkulu kubona. uNkulunkulu bashaya ngedarkness abakholwanga. Le yabashaya babona ukuthi hayi ngempela. And the Bible ithi and this darkness uzombozela ilo imap umama uCebs. Uthi and this darkness le uthi indlela ayisinda ngayo uthi and wangazi even ukuthi uyibambe ngesandla. It was so dark ezweni lase-Egypt, but hayi lonke bazalwane kuzo zonke lezi zinto lezi and abantwana base-Israel base-Egypt kodwa bona la kukhona kuyakhanya konke kuse-Egypt. Yabona ukuthi and la embali se-Egypt yonke Egypt 1 no 2 Egypt esisi kumnyama 1 kuyakhanya 2 kuyakhanya ngokuhlela bakwa-Israelites konke even ukufa kwezimvu kwakufa izimvu zabantu base-Egypt kuphela ngoba ka-Israel kwakungenankinga kungenalutho konke even the darkness wonke ama-plagues babebuka impukane babezibuka. Nathi imap lapha ukukhombisa ilokhuzana nathi iGoshen phezulu lapha i-Egypt yonke le iGoshen abona ile phezulu. They were all there konke okumnyama kodwa kubona bele phezulu ungabi mnyama khanye by ilanga. uNkulunkulu utheni ngifuna bakhombisa ukuthi I am the Lord. Wathi nabo ngifuna bakhombisa ukuthi ngiNkulunkulu wabo. uFaro ufuna ngoba uFaro phela uNkulunkulu wabo eEgypt. Uthi ngifuna ukukhombisa uFaro yimina who is the Lord. Kubantwana bakwa-Israel uthi ngifuna bakhombisa ukuthi I am their Lord. Aqhubeka ulokhuzana uMose ahambe lokho yakufara uFaro iqina inhliziyo ahambe lokho yakufara iqina kakhulu inhliziyo. At the same time abantu bakwa-Israel they are waiting. Angithi they are waiting because they have been here for generations and generations. They are waiting baphume la because sebetsheliwe vele ukuthi enizophuma and I'm sure bayabona ukuthi singaphuma lana ngoba siyabona ubumnyama thina kuyakhanya sayibona amaxoxo nempukane ngalena but thina zikho bayibona ukuthi izokwenzeka kodwa lento ngoba bayabona ama signs. Qhubeka ku-Exodus bese kuthi ngelo ngifuna ukuyeke lesi 10 plague. There was the death of ama firstborn sons. There was koko yokugcina ke abona uNkulunkulu naye ke wamtshela ukuthi Faro abona le egcina ke le yokufa kwama firstborns. It's the last one uFaro uzobadedela ke this time. And this happened. This was during the time this at the same time uNkulunkulu atshela abantwana bakwa-Israel nge-Passover. Ngoba e-Egypt kwakuzofa and all the firstborn sons. So uMoses abatshele ukuthi ngosuku kule nyanga lena ngosuku lwesi-10 nothatha imvu niyibeke then nihlabe ngosuku lwesi-14. So ngosuku lwesi-14 kwakuyilona langa la owazodlula khona uNkulunkulu ingelosi yokufa abulale ama firstborns onke ase-Egypt. So ke bayithola that time ilokhuzana. It was the last one bazalwane. The last one was the blood of Jesus. It was it was the sign that and we need the blood. It was iyonenza abantu bakwa-Israel baphume eGibhithe. It was the blood of Jesus. Kwathi lapho uFaro isililo kukhala isililo. Inkosi yami ama firstborns onke ase-Egypt befile. So even inkomo makhona inkomo endala yayifa makhona imbuzi endala konke every firstborn okhona e-Egypt wafa except bakwa-Israel. Bona konjani kwakunegazi elalise lekudongo, which is a sign that only the blood redeems. We need the blood bazalwane. So bayithola lapho ilokhuzana instruction yephasika. And then bese kuthi ku-Exodus 13 isikhathi sami okay ku-Exodus 13 no so ku-Exodus 14 verse 4 ku-Exodus 14 verse 4 athi I will harden Pharaoh's heart and he will pursue them, but I will gain glory myself through Pharaoh and all his army, and the Egyptians will know that I am the Lord. So Israel did this. Oh no, I'm not versions actually level. But here it says, and he will pursue them. My versions at God made, and uNkulunkulu made Egyptians brave. Uthi bazoba brave such that bazolandela. Can you see now? uNkulunkulu uthe uzokhipha abantwana bakaIsrael eGibhithe baphume. Mase bephume abaphumi nje ukuthi bazoziphumela. uNkulunkulu futhi uphinde uthi ngizomenza ukuthi balilandele, azuphuma nje mahala. Kade belindile bazalwane. They've been waiting for this time to speak ukuthi bakhulule. They've been waiting and waiting. Mase lifikile usuku lokuthi bakhulule. uNkulunkulu futhi uthi ngizobenza babe brave ngalendlela ukuthi bazonilandela. uNkulunkulu awubaxele phela kade belindile. They've been waiting. Uthi no bazonilandela. Ngempela babadedele. Babalandele asifara bahamba ngempela balandeleni. Balandele baleke and uNkulunkulu weveleshile ekuqaleni wathi masenihambe eEgypt. Wathi niyohamba newealth yakhona. Wathi masenihamba bonikazi igolide labo nesiliva labo. Abantu beIsrael base behamba eGibhithe babethi sifuna igolide. Kuthiwa mina nihambani ngoba manje kushone onkosana bakhona. Even akuFaro even kwaFaro akekho umuntu ozomlandela ngoba whoever ohleli kwi-throne oyindodana yokuqala yakhe kwayena ngeke azamlandela ngoba kwayena wafa ngalelo langa. Even kwaFaro yafa indodana kaFaro endala. So bonke bathi nje mina nihambani ufunani ufuna isiliva ufunani ufuna igolide cha minani baphuma bethwala igolide nosiliva. uNkulunkulu wayishilo wathi maniphuma la benizigqila but nophuma newealth yase-Egypt. So mase behamba athi Pharaoh bahambile hey balandeleni babalandela kanti uNkulunkulu uyazi kanti uNkulunkulu uyazi ngoba uNkulunkulu uyakayidlala imovie bazalwane. Uyakayidlala uNkulunkulu imovie. Ayidlale ngempilo yakho. Imovie uyibuke nathi imovie. Ungangikholwa ukuthi kwenzeka empilweni yakho ngempela lokho. Wayidlala imovie uNkulunkulu. Baphuma abantwana bakaIsrael. Mabephuma bathi Pharaoh balandeleni. Babalandele. Bafike ku Red Sea. Lithi iBhayibheli ulwandle lwama elazo kulahla namagagasi. Lwama laba udonga. Lwama laba udonga ulwandle. Angithi uNkulunkulu uthe ufuna uzibona ukuthi utheni uNkulunkulu. Shushu uFaro bengakaboni ukuthi ngempela uNkulunkulu nguNkulunkulu. Akaboneke ulwandle luma njengodonga. Abantu bakaIsrael they walked on dry ground. Bonke the whole nation they walked on dry ground. uNkulunkulu usafuna uzibonakalisa ngoba uNkulunkulu uyafuna ukuphakanyiswa. uNkulunkulu uyafuna ukuthi manje uthi nginguNkulunkulu and me alone. Ufuna ukwazi ukuthi and you have no other option. That's why mangithanda nami angikhohle ukuthi uNkulunkulu ngiza kuwe ngoba akekho umunye engaya kuyena. Ngifuna uNkulunkulu azi ukuthi I have no other option. Ukuthi nakunje uNkulunkulu ngithembe wena wedwa. There is no other option. Usho uFaro engakaboni ukuthi uNkulunkulu nguNkulunkulu. NabakaIsrael babengakaboni ukuthi lo nguNkulunkulu wethu. Wathi I'm gonna make ama-Egyptians ukuthi anilandele abalandele kuvuleke ulwandle. Lithi iBhayibheli mase kudlule bonke abakaIsrael balandela abantu baFaro. Namasosha kuthiwa wakeepha best uFaro. The best amahasha akhe nabantu abagibela amahasha kuthiwa inojoki bakhe and the chief intontoni bakaFaro they were there pursuing ama-Israelites. Banele bangena ulwandle walivala uNkulunkulu. Walivala ulwandle uNkulunkulu. Pharaoh namasosha akhe no chief of staff bakhe bonke the top ones the captains bonke bahamba nolwandle. uNkulunkulu ukuthi ngifuna ukubona ukuthi nginguNkulunkulu. Ngifuna ukholwe ukuthi nginguNkulunkulu wakho umIsrayelite. Useze wavula ulwandle. Ngoba uyabothi labantu abakaboni, even noFaro futhi akakaboni uma ngabe simlandeleni. Ingakho bathi inhliziyo yakhe safuna ukubona ukuthi mina I am God alone. Bahamba. And then Exodus 13 verse 17. Exodus 13 Exodus 13 17 to 18. uNkulunkulu uthi, when Pharaoh let the people go, did not let them on the road through the camp. If they usathi uNkulunkulu, when Pharaoh let the people go, mase behamba, God did not lead them on the road through Palestine. uNkulunkulu azange abalide through the road through the Philistines because it was the shortest one. Uthi, though that they was shorter, for God said, if they face war, they might change their minds and go back to Egypt. Ababa Israel labo ama-plagues awu-10 asawenzile, uNkulunkulu futhi ngifuna nibone ukuthi I am the Lord. Still athi no, abakaboni labantu. Ahamba uNkulunkulu avula ulwandle athi ngifuna babone ukuthi I am the Lord. Still bakaboni uNkulunkulu uthi labantu laba, if they face one battle bazobuyela emuva e-Egypt. Sibekhohle ukuthi uNkulunkulu osilethela sibekhohle njalo. Siyakhohlwa bazalwane. Sabantu semkhohlwa uNkulunkulu. Ufika into encane nje eyenzeka empilweni ukhohlwa uNkulunkulu. Ukhohlwa uye. Ungabe sakazona nokulinda. Ungamlindi ukulinda nje, you can't wait. Ngento encane yenzekile usugijimela emuva, usubuyela emuva eEgypt. Usubuyela emuva kubantu. Usubehamba ukuthi angihambe ngohlola ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzekeni. Usukhohliwe ukuthi uNkulunkulu uthembe kuNkulunkulu kwena. Siyakhohlwa sabantu asikwazi ukulinda. Sigijimela ukubuyela emuva noNkulunkulu wabo labantu laba ngebhethile yodwa bazobuyela eEgypt. Abahamba 40 years ke. Bese uyamangala na ukuthi why lokhu ulindile. Why lokhu ulindile? You've been waiting for uNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu bonile ukuthi wena ngento encane uzophindela eEgypt. That's right. Linda. Angazi ngempela uNkulunkulu bazalana ukuthi yini efuna nami included. Hayi ukuthi ngingcono. uNkulunkulu nguNkulunkulu bazalwane. Singahlehleli emva, asilinde kuNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu uyalindwa bazalwane. Abantu bazalwane angazi uNkulunkulu engayenza. U40 years wonke nakhona ikhona kumepha yana indlela bengahamba ubosi bayazungeza bathi baphinde babuyela kade bekhona, baphinde futhi bathi bahamba indlela bengeke behamba. Bathi uNkulunkulu nansi basuka phezulu banyuka bathi baphinde bajika somewhere, baphinde banyuka baphinde baze balapha eJerusalem lapha phezulu kodwa bahamba bathi beke bezungeza ngoba abekho ready. uNkulunkulu bona ukuthi awukho ready, so hlala ulinde uzokutshela ukuthi yenze njani. If ungakabona ukuthi he is God and him alone, uzohlala kulindeni. Ekulindeni bazalwane, sometimes prayers are delayed. Promises, they take long. Iminyango ivala naloba ngathi uvule kancane uvalisiswe ngci. Kodwa throughout scripture uNkulunkulu uyasho ukulinda kwakho is not in vain. It is not a wasted time. uNkulunkulu uyalinda futhi ukulinde nje uzozibona eqaleni la usuke khona. Mawulinde kuNkulunkulu, those who wait in the Lord ubanikeza amandla okulinda. In waiting, faith grows. Character develops. Faith is believing that God is working even when nothing is moving. Ukholwa lokho bothi ayikho into enzekayo nalokho bekukhona ubona ngathi uhlehlele emva ngempilo, ubone ngathi uthi one step forward and 10 steps back ngempilo yakho ukuthi benginemoto benginemusa ngisenalutho. Mlindi uNkulunkulu. uJoseph icharacter yakhe yakhiwa through pain. He was rejected by abafowabo. betrayed by abafowabo, imprisoned. Even ifamily yakhe forgot about him jail. But the pain, the pit, the prison, and the pain were all part of God's plan and preparation. Ekulindeni uNkulunkulu asiprepare abazalwane. Ikona ubuhlungu ukuthi asazi ngoba noma sekukhiphile uzothi sekukhiphile uyazi ukuthi lo uzobuyela emuva. Ngono mhlawumbe lento ibizofika khona manje. Akelinde 2 years, akelinde akekho ready. During waiting, God is building humility bazalwane. Ayisiphakeme bazalwane. Siphakeme pride. God hates pride. Isho njalo izwi. Ipride phela iyona nje usathana ukuthi avukele uNkulunkulu. Ipride uNkulunkulu uyayizonda. That's why nje uzohlala ulinde because manje uzama ukulungisa ipride yakho ayilungiseki. Uboqala lapho upride. Ipride nje into ezincane nje akudinga ukuthi ube into enkulu ubothi iwozona nepride. Uzibona kahle yini vele nepride ngayo ubani yena? Ipride nje ubothi akangenela akathinteki. Ipride. uNkulunkulu ufuna sizehlise. uNkulunkulu ayizonda ipride. And wisdom bazalwane uNkulunkulu during waiting uNkulunkulu uzokhula nje iwisdom. Always pray for wisdom. Iverse ethi verse kuJames ukuthi ofuna wisdom akeze uNkulunkulu azoyicela. Pray for wisdom. Uzobona na wisdom ukuhlakanipha okuvela uNkulunkulu. Uzobona sekunikeza uthi kuneyinkinga kunjani uzukhuluma ukuhlakanipha nje. Bathi abantu baneyinkinga bathi bese kuwena uvela ukukhuluma ukuhlakanipha nje. Futhi ukhuluma nje ulindile nawe kupheni seyinkinga njengabo. Kodwa ukwazi ukuthi nje ukhulume nje into izwi ihlakala enhlizweni zabo. Ukhuluma ukuhlakanipha bangakwazi kuvelaphi. Iwisdom evela uNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu usikhumbuza i-patience. Abantu abangazi ukulinda. Nathi nengane zethu azikwazi ukulinda. Azikwazi ukulinda le ngane sesizele kwamanje. Abazi izinto zaNkulunkulu ziyalindwa. Sijaha izinto microwave 2 minutes konke kumele kusheshe. Inkonzo yokulinda bazalwane kuthiwa iAfrica is not for the sissies. Inkonzo yokulinda is not for the sissies. Inkonzo yokulinda ifuna ukuthi uhlale uthule ube yisilima uvuma ukuhletshwa akube yisilima njena nawe isifana uyazi isilima esilindile uyazi ukuthi ulindile bayeke bakuhlebe hlala ulinde uNkulunkulu uyalindwa bazalwane. They may not make sense into zakhe ngishilo ngathi azina logic aziyenzi sense kepha hlala uNkulunkulu umlinde ngoba yabona ulindeni and uzofunda ukulinda ipatience. Ngoba ukulinda bazalwane ipatience ibalekile in life. Even emsebenzini la usebenza khona ipatience ibalekile. So in waiting uNkulunkulu wakha ipatience yakho and even the leadership skills uNkulunkulu ufuna uhambe ube manager ulead abantu. Manje ukwazi ukukhuluma nabantu ulimi lwakho. Umuntu umehlaleni umbekele enzansi umbekele ulimi lwakho alukho right ukuthi ungalida. Ekulindeni uNkulunkulu ufuna kona ukuthi akuwakheke ube le lead. Ufuna ukuthi uyolid uphathe organization la ukhona but you are not ready. Usuzubone bafika abanye bakudlule uthi kwafika abantu bakudlula uyazi bakudlulelana. Let God akufundise bazalwane. Hlala kuye. Yabona uNkulunkulu ulindwa emkhulekweni bazalwane. And kuba konke in waiting for God uNkulunkulu ufundisa ukuthi umthembe. Kuba konke ufundisa ukuthi umthembe. Ngoba manje uhleli sometimes abanye bamuza uNkulunkulu abanye bamzwile but sometimes uhleli uthi nje Nkosi kusho ukuthi wena uyazi ingakho ngidlula kuloko but I trust uNkulunkulu. Ngoba sometimes uNkulunkulu uyazivumela izimo phezulu kwethu but akakunike singaphezulu kwamandla akho. Uyakunikeza all you have to do is to trust him. Uthi Nkosi sengithembe wena. Konke kungahambi kahle ungazi even nabaseceleni kokungabathembi kwabona kodwa uthi Nkosi sengithembe wena ngoba manje lokho okwenzekayo nawe awazi you have no idea kwenzakalani empilweni yakho but just trust him. Preparation is not a punishment bazalwane. Preparation is not a punishment and Don't measure faithfulness kaNkulunkulu ngokuthi how long you've been waiting. Don't measure faithfulness kaNkulunkulu by how long you've been waiting. Ngoba wazi noma wena yinkinga. Sengizovala uJesu lapha ku Luke 18 tells us about the unjust judge and the widow. Umfelakazi wayelokhu ejajini limxosha aphikelele umfazi limxosha ijaji, and this judge was unjust. Lisho njalo uJesu as a parable. Ahamba yokhuleka ulinde emkhulekweni, ahamba ngeli judge athi hayi bo Nkosi yami judge ngisize, limxosha ijaji, ahamba yokhuleka aphindele kulona ijaji. Jesus was teaching them ukuthi kukho konke ekulindeni kwenu khulekani ningagive up. Umfelakazi akazange azakhathale. He kept on going back to ijaji like yazi thina nisicefe, okay kulungile enza yenze lokho okufuna ilokhuzana ilo umfelokazi. Even uJesu himself, he waited bazalwane. uJesu ezalwe semncane mabehamba beya iphasika lalikude bafuna bahamba baye eJerusalem. Ukuthi mabehamba uJesu semncane bambone sefundisa ethempelini no 10 years. Uyazazi ukuthi yena uNkulunkulu kodwa nje usayibambile ulindile. Kodwa into ilokhu ihlezi ivuka nje, ilokhu ivuka nje kancane ko 10 years nje bambona sesethempelini tho wenzani ingane. Ngilanga bahamba baya ephasikeni bahamba for days bambotha akekho wathi uhlele ethempelini ufundisa abantu. Wena 10 12 years lapha. Ivuka into yakho ukuthola ngoNkulunkulu mina. Kodwa manje walinda azi ukuthi unalento engaphakathi kuyena iyamshisa iyafuna. Walinda uJesu. At 33 wazibona 33 years eqala iministry yakhe. Ebhabhatiswa uJohn wayikhane eqala 33 years elindile knowing exactly ukuthi uNkulunkulu uzelele emhlabeni. Walinda 33 years. 30 and then 33 no 30 and then 33 wahamba. Futhi uJesu yazi into yokulinda uNkulunkulu akasabona nje ukuthi Nkosi yami my son wathi noma sizoqala iministry yakhe sekuthi hayi na useready uJohn usembhabhadisile lavuleka izulu lathi lo into yami engithokozile ngayo kwangazi ukuthi usiyaqala kanti akaqasa fanele ahamba hlala 40 days. 40 days of fasting. Lapho useready uJesu ubhabhadisiwe already uJohn useready ukuqala iministry. What no hamba yo fast for 40 days. Futhi nakhona ayithi uhleli bomnandini ufastile. And kulokho ukufasta kwakhe akukho ukuthula, akukho ukuphumula. Uyafika uSathane alokhethi nje me uyakufuna lokho athi no thank you. Akukho ukuthula useready for ministry yakhe but nangu noSathane wathi usangayiqala uJesu ministry yakhe ayikade elinde impilo yakhe yonke ukuba wengena uNkulunkulu ukuba ene wavuma izilingo zikaSathane ayemlinga ngazo ekufasteni. Kepha walinda sesaface isikhathi sakhe nakhona masifika there were always challenges but okubalekile to trust God. Uthi uNkulunkulu nalokho ngiyazi ukuthi ukhona. Mina ngeke ngimfuna noma ngeke ngithi hayi uNkulunkulu ngiyazi ukuthi ukhona ke la ukhona ngibona ukuthi hey kwazi kwakho uNkulunkulu ukhona kodwa because I trust ukuthi ngeke sangishiye ukuthi ebukhulini bakhe bonke kuzina zonke izinto ezinkulu azenza emhlabeni base uNkulunkulu uyazi ukuthi ngiyazi ukuthi mina ngiseplanini lakho namhlanje ngiyazi kukho konke okuplanile uNkulunkulu mina ngiseplanini lakho ukuthi ngizokwenza njani namhlanje nawe kanjalo ukhona eplanini lakhe. Uyazi what you going through. You know, I was saying prayer singayisi izimo uNkulunkulu uyazazi asihambisane izwi lakhe because he has exalted his word above himself. Asihambisane izwi kuNkulunkulu singahambisi izimo zethu uyazazi vele njengoba sihleli la uyazi ukuthi yini ekuhlulayo. Mase sisilinde bazalwane sisukuma bazalwane singasukuma sisokhuleka nje. I just want to tell you that your waiting season is not empty. I just want to tell you that your waiting season is not empty. God is arranging izinto. just like the chess player. Ubona badlala i-chess. uNkulunkulu uthi kukhona abakhiphayo empilweni yakho, kukhona abalethayo. Rearrange izinto uNkulunkulu empilweni yakho. He is preparing you for the good and the greater things akubekele zona empilweni yakho. He is healing you bazalwane. Kuna abantu abangahilile. Kuna abantu abasadinga ukuhilwa enhlizweni. Kuningi abadlule kona. uNkulunkulu usafuna ukuthi uhile ngoba uzohamba uyolimaza abanye abantu. Because a hurt person hurts others. That's what you do. uNkulunkulu ufuna ukuthi in this waiting period akuhile. Ushiye konke kunye nje akuhile inhliziyo yakho. Uxolele abafuna ukuxolelwa. God is preparing you for bigger things. God is building you. God is positioning you for greater things. Ungabona ngathi konke kumile. There are greater things uNkulunkulu azibekile ukuthi nje usafuna ube ku-position right. If only you can just trust him. Uthi Nkosi lokho okwenzekalayo ngiyazi ukuthi ukhona. Ungabheki isimo akufocus nje on him. Just focus on him. He's a good God. He's a faithful God, bazalwane. He's a faithful God. In waiting, bazalwane, inkonzo yokulinda inzima bazalwane. Ayibheke ukuthi uyibishop engakanani nompostoli ongakanani. Ekulindeni bazalwane baningi ababuyele emuva behlelo ukulinda. Baningi abajikile bayobheka bayozama ezinye izinto ezazibasebenzele. Ngenxa yokuthi bahluleka ukulinda. And uNkulunkulu namhlanje ubethe nje ngikhuleke nalabo abadinga ukunikeza amandla. Isaiah 40 says those who waited obanikeza amandla. Sizokhuleka nje bazalwane. Makhona nje bathi nje Nkosi ngicela ungisize in this period of waiting.